Yo, it's Chriso. We're just gonna zap up another sheet. So I'll put some bog on the wall, some urethane. This glues everything. And then we'll pop the sheet up. Okay, Liam, let's do it, mate. Okay, me foot. Hang on. Go around, go back. Okay, you go first. You right?
Yep,
that's it.
Alright, I'll hold it.
Yep.
Is that good in that top corner there?
Yep, that's good. That's good, mate.
Alright, I'm going to stand back now.
Yep. It's not going to fall because...
No, that's alright, I'm light. I'm not as heavy as you. It's fine.
Okie doke, that's it. Good one, mate. Well done. I don't deal with metal frames too much, but I reckon they are the bee's knees.
What would be there beside the metal frame? Wood.
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 Wooden frame. Metal frame is harder to work with. It's 10 o'clock, where's the Sparky?
Hang on, I'll take this bucket out and I'll go find him. Is it actually? Hang on.
Right, I'll get a set of steps, people. And...
What's your stakes? Do you want the light?
No, I'm talking to the camera. You're right, mate.
I'm going to find the Sparky.
Okay, that's good. And I'll carry on moving around. I won't put up that sheet yet because Sparky's got to put in the wire. He can come across from there, I suppose. So that's all right to sheet. We'll carry on. I'll clear that, clear the mess away. We're going well. I'll screw it off yet. So I'll get my steps and we'll be laughing. Subscribe, people. Join my channel. Learn. Soon, once I've done this, I'll screed the floor. Tomorrow I want to pop in these niches, build them, build a corner seat. There's quite a bit tomorrow. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah, Thursday I'll be doing all that stuff. Friday I'll screed all my floor and show you how I go down to a strip drain I'll replace that tomorrow. And then the next day on Monday, after the weekend, I'll be waterproofing it, so I'll show you how to waterproof people. And then the next day I'll be laying the floor. Next day I'll be into the walls. That'll be about Wednesday next week. Cool. This will take me, because it's quite a big bathroom and it's a lot involved, it'll take me about 9 days, working days. Okay, see you soon. Ciao.